Hey everybody, it's Milton Hughes here tonight with Lebanon Ford Performance, and I'm excited to showcase a car I have behind me. If you recall, we have two horsepower packages that we offer, 800 horsepower package superchargers and 1,000 horsepower superchargers. Project M behind me is every bit of 1,000 horsepower, and tonight we're going to talk about the options that gets you to 1,000 horsepower and what this customer chose as his car of choice. First things first, let's talk about what gives power to this Mustang. Underneath the hood, customer chose to go with a D1X PROCHARGER Stage 2. That's a high output supercharger with the intercooler tuner kit. Also, we have a Palm Beach DYNO NGAUGE with an E85 custom tune, race intercooler behind the pony, a GT350 math intercooler in straight cut gears, and lastly, FORE Innovations double pump L2 fuel system. Moving on to the protection side, this customer chose to go with the upgraded MMR oil pump gears, and get this 2,000 horsepower half shafts from DSS, and lastly, a carbon fiber drive shaft. If you want to build your very own 1,000 horsepower Mustang, visit us online at LebanonFordPerformance.com.